Hi everyone, Judy here. So we are going to share with you guys our Bohol trip last November. We took ocean jet going to Bohol. It's about 2-hour sea trip. There were a lot of passengers. There were a lot of tourists as well. And our day one itinerary, we're going to Bee Farm, Pangaw Tour, Dauis Church, Hinagdanan Cave, and checking in at Dumaluan Resort. So we are here in Bee Farm now. This is the lobby area, and the one thing that you should try is their ice cream, guys. It's yummy ice cream, and if you're lactose intolerant, they have also an ice cream especially for those people who are lactose intolerant. Okay, so as you can see, our kids were really enjoying the ice cream, and the place is very nice. It's homey and you're near to nature. Okay, so, and the nice thing also, they have ATM, so you can, if you're short with money, you can withdraw money there. They also held tour sessions around the area. I suggest you go and try the tour because you're gonna learn a lot of things about bee farm and nature as well. You're gonna learn a lot of plants. They're gonna talk about herbs and a lot of things there. So here they are actually selling their local products. So they're the one weaving these products, and as you can see, the people are very eager in listening to the tour guide. And they're also selling their homegrown local products. We actually bought organic honey, if I can remember.
So, mo ni ang Dauis Church. Dili ba against the light? Pagsuot sa church, sa side, na siya. And then very high ceiling. Wait, arita. Nice. Stations of the Cross. Oh, paintings, ceiling paintings. Nice. Okay, change ko angle from the main entrance of church. Ooh, it seems na preparation for kasal. It's either humanang kasal or ni kasal soon. Sarado ang main door sa church. So, kung musod ka sa main door, muna siyang altar. Na siya ay bridal decorations. Pero, okay. Muna siya ang entrance na ceiling paintings. Okay. So it would seem actually na ay mga wall paintings sa angels, similar paintings both sides. Sige, pero alta sa main door. So nagyapon ang kinaraan nga kuha sa magwali ang pari. Wow, iba sa term. Okay. From here, it's raining. Ano siyang chandelier. Oh, sorry na. Yes, it's raining house and carabaos according to Dave. Oh, nanami sa Dumaluan 1 Beach Resort. Super low tide, so mag-sandcastle na lang sa sila. Kay super low tide. No, tanawa from the shoreline and tanawa sa kutob ang tao. Okay? So na siya ka low tide. So ang high tide later pa mga 5 something PM and then 5 something tomorrow morning.